by himself and swap. Now this is pink in this hand, not pink in this hand. By himself, by himself, by himself. Get that G chord ready, both pinkies. By himself. G7 and fourth finger with those two C chords. And rest by himself, and then those C chords again. Long by himself, long ago, by himself, swap. In a land, by himself. Now pink in the right hand, but not pink in the left hand. Second finger by himself, by himself, by himself. Now get that G chord ready, both pinkies. By himself. Third finger in this hand, fourth finger in this hand. G7 by himself. And now the last two notes of the G7, the 2-1, but 3-2 in the right hand. And then two C chords. Now get that G chord ready with pink in this hand. By himself. By himself. Now in the middle of the G chord with the thumb in this hand. Middle of the G chord, last note of the G chord, and then jump up to fourth finger and F. By himself. By himself, by himself, by himself. We'll do that again. Both pinkies, by himself. By himself. Now with the thumb, but we're in the middle of the G chord, so the third finger, then the thumb, and then C chord. By himself, by himself, by himself. And then we do the last line, which is the same as the second line almost. By himself. Long ago, swap. In a land, by himself. By himself, by himself, by himself. Then get that G chord ready, and pinky on the G. By himself. And here's that G7. By himself. Get that 2 ready with the 3 in this hand to do 3-2 and 2-1. And then the last note, C, Albert.